Hey, how's it going? Chuck here, Sound Survival Tactics, and in this video I'm going to be going over the Muay Thai Kick. Real quick, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to get notified of future videos as they come out. If you're already subscribed, thank you very much and welcome back to the channel. So for the Muay Thai Kick, I want to say that you should get warmed up before you go and practice this. If you don't have a warm-up, there is one that we do at the school. And if you'd like me to make a video on that, go ahead and say warm up in the comments below and I'll get that out to you. Also, you'll notice that I'm out at a park and not in a gym with a heavy bag. This practice will allow you to be able to practice these kicks at home. And this is, for practicality, this is assuming that you've thrown the kick and you're able to recover from missing your target. So next I'm going to step back and demonstrate. We're going to be setting up in the hips width distance stance. If you're not familiar with the Muay Thai stance, I have a video on that as well, and I'll leave a link to that in the description below where you can go and check that out. So setting up in the hips width distance stance, we're going to start with the rear leg. So we're setting up here. You want to be up on the balls of your feet, don't be flat-footed. So again, starting up the rear leg, your front foot comes a small step forward, okay? Arm goes out. You don't want to be swinging this way, that's going to kill your energy and give you a higher risk of injury. So step back, take a small step back again. So you want to take so in your guard, on the balls of your feet, small step forward, hand goes out, rear leg, you're going to try to turn that hip over and keep the leg straight as possible and land about 10 o'clock. Small step forward, hand goes out, there, be up on the way back, step back to your original starting position. So let's go ahead and do a couple more of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, and step back. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, step back. You can do a little marching here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back. All right, so now let's do off the front leg. So again, hips width distance apart. So you want this to become your base leg. So you're going to step straight up. Don't step up like this. You want to keep straight up here. Left hand goes forward this time, and you're going to kick with now your left leg. Same thing. This is 1 or 2 o'clock. Back. All right. Try that again. So we're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. See if we can do it better here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. Little uneven ground. Still working on that balance. So let's try it again. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. All right, so that is Muay Thai Kick off of the rear and the front. Go ahead and practice that. Please make sure you're warmed up before you practice. Work on keeping that leg straight. Still something that obviously I have to work on still. And make sure that you're up on the balls of your feet, not flat-footed. All right, so if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, go ahead and share it out, hit that subscribe button. Take care, and we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.